How to order an unofficial transcript at North Dakota State University. Before you begin, be sure to allow pop-up windows for the Campus Connection webpage. Otherwise, you will not be able to view your transcript. Step 1. Go to Campus Connection. You can get to Campus Connection by going to www.ndsu.edu/DCE/K12_professionals/transcripts. Scroll down to the unofficial transcript ordering instructions. Click the Go to Campus Connection button. Step 2. To log in, enter your user ID, which is usually first name, last name, and your password, which is your North Dakota University System password that you use for your NDSU email. Step 3. Click on the Academic Records tile. Step 4. Click on the Unofficial Transcript request. Step 5. Select North Dakota State University for the academic institution. Step 6. Select the type of transcript you prefer: unofficial PDF transfer details or unofficial PDF transfer summary. Step 7. Click the Submit button. Step 8. Wait for your transcript to appear and print as needed. Remember, your transcript may be in a pop-up window.